Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Ashley. I love makeup, mainly indie brands and affordable makeup. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. So my palette today that I'm going to be featuring is the Strange and Unusual palette from Bella Beauté Bar. This is the second palette that I picked up from Bella Beauté Bar. The Smoky Glam palette is to die for, you guys. Like, I absolutely love that palette. It is so gorgeous. And so when I saw this one, I had to pick it up. If you've been here for a minute, you know this is my kind of palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I just can't wait to see what I come up with this beautiful palette, because it is just so pretty. So I was originally thinking of maybe doing another like 2 looks 1 eye, but now I'm looking at it and I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to go for, but maybe I will, but just kind of a little twist, because I just have a couple matte shades. So let's go ahead and just see what happens, see what I come up with. And let's go ahead and get started. Like, I was originally really drawn to like this dark purple right here, this green, this gorgeous red down here, and then this like orangey shade above it. These are all just like so pretty. I just kind of want to. Okay, yeah. I think I have a good plan going right now for at least 1 eye, and then we'll see what happens with the next one. So I want to start with the shade Beetlejuice right here, which is that really pretty green shade. And again, the birds, you guys, they're out in full force singing y'all a song. Hopefully you can hear them. And you can probably also hear one of my neighbors mowing. Hopefully that's not too bad, because I gotta film when I can film. Okay, this is a very pretty grungy green, and I absolutely love it. So I'm thinking of doing kind of like 2 halo eyes. I just absolutely love how this green is looking. Very pigmented. Now I need to get like a little packer brush, and we're gonna go in with, okay, so these are both these shades are like, it's Beetlejuice or Beetle Goose. It's I feel like it's supposed to sound like Beetlejuice, because it's Betelgeuse, and this other one is Beetleguise. So different shades, but I feel like the names are supposed to be pronounced the same. I could totally be wrong though, but that's what my brain is telling me. So we're gonna go in with the purple Beetlejuice shade, and we are just going to pack that on the outside and inner portion of the lid. This is like such a pretty purple too. And I just kind of go over and like gently like connect to the other half or portion of the eye. All right. Now we gotta get some of that glitter glue. Y'all know this NYX glitter primer glue. Just put a little bit in that center portion of the eye. And then we're gonna go in with that shade Witch Doctor, which is that pretty orangish shade right there. That is so cool. That is just so pretty. I think like purple and orange might have just become my new favorite like color combo. Like, that's pretty. Okay. I want to go back in and just, put in a little more of that dark purple on the outer and inner portion of the eye, just to kind of like define it a little more. That is so pretty. Okay, I want to go in with just like the tiniest little bit of green, of that green, the other Beetlejuice shade, and just kind of blend it out a little bit more. Okay. I love the grunginess, the bright of the orange, the purple. Love how that is looking. Now for the lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna take the shade Adam, which is a really pretty like black shade with the glitter in it. Okay. And now for that lower inner corner highlight. I think I'm gonna go with the shade Juno, which is that pretty like orangish green shade right there. Okay, that is really, really fun. Okay. Love the way that turned out. I'm like totally getting Halloween vibes, and I can't wait. I'm ready. Love Halloween. It cannot get here fast enough. Okay, so for the next eye, I want to go in with, start with this shade Lydia, which is that beautiful red shade right there. Ooh, she pigmented. Now, I want to alright. So now we're going to take the purple Beetlejuice shade. Or no, the green Beetlejuice shade right here. And that's what's going to help create our halo eye on this eye. I just need to get all the purple shade off of this brush. I definitely need more smaller brushes where I can, like, you know, do halo eyes and get in the tinier areas of my lid. Because that would really help right now. Just trying to get this off. Okay. So taking that green shade. And we're just going to stamp that on the outer and inner portions of the eye. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of that glitter glue. Put that on the center of the eye. And now I just need to figure out what shade I'm going to put in the center of the eye, because all these are beautiful. Alright, so I think I'm going to go in with the shade Afterlife, which is right here. Right there. This is like definitely one of those shades that looks like so different. Like, I guess not under the lights. Like, I did swatch it like a little bit on my arm, and it definitely looked more blue, but now it's coming off more like orangey goldy. Which, I mean, don't get me wrong, like, it is freaking beautiful. That's so crazy. I did kind of want to want a little bit more of a blue tone though. So I'm going to go in with the shade Miss Argentina, which is right here, and just gently put that over that and just see how that looks. Okay, that looks really, really cool over that. Yeah, that is so cool. Okay. Now for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with that same shade, that black glittery shade Adam, which is right there. Okay, now For that lower inner corner highlight, we're going to go in with the shade Lost Souls, which is that shade right there. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now I just want to take the brush that had that Lydia shade on it, and I just kind of want to gently blend things in a little bit. And then I do want to deepen up the green Beetlejuice shade just a little bit on this inner corner and on the outer corner as well. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm back and this is the finished look. I don't know, just fun, beautiful. And another thing, my lippy is one of the Ladybug Glow Multi-Chrome Lip Glosses. This is shade number 8. It's on my lips right now. Beautiful, glittery, shiny, amazing. If you guys want to save 10% off your Ladybug Glow order, I do have a discount code. It's my name, Ashley, A-S-H-L-E-Y. And also for the Bella Beauté Bar Strange and Unusual palette. Here's the inside of that. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. And I also do have a discount code for Bella Beauté Bar as well. And it's just my name, Ashley, A-S-H-L-E-Y. It'll save you 10% if you want to pick something up and use my discount code. But if you don't, it's totally cool. Just want to throw that out there. I am going to have all my discount codes. I only have like maybe one more, you know, down below. So if y'all want to use them, you're free to. If not, I totally understand. But yeah. That is it. I love the look that I came up with. I'm ready for Halloween. I'm ready for fall. Sorry guys, my hair, just this hair that just does not want to be part of the rest of my hair. I'm so self-conscious about it. Like I don't know. It just makes me feel weird and off and like, I don't know. I don't know. I know I think too much about things all the time. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for supporting me and this channel, for watching this video, subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, commenting something down below. Yeah, that's it. Just please remember you're loved, you're amazing. I hope something really cool happens today that just puts a smile on your face, makes you happy. And that is it. Feels weird because my last video I filmed was so long, but you guys, seriously, just have a wonderful day, morning, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.